Little Brian wakes up slow, sunshine through the window. Mama hands him a tissue, says, "Son, let's take it slow." He gets dressed for school, but his cough always lingers, and every now and then wipes his nose with his fingers. On the bus, kids move away, give him all the space. He's got that honking cough that they just can't embrace. Teacher says, "Sit down, Brian, here's some water and a lozenge." But Brian knows deep down he's always got that baggage. Oh, little Brian, always trying to get through the day with that pesky cough that won't go away. At recess, Brian stands alone, watching others play. His cough echoes around the yard, keeps the friends at bay. He draws shapes in the dirt while he lets out a wheeze. Dreams are running and laughing, but it's just a tease. Dinner time at the table, he's got soup and bread, but every spoonful he takes, someone turns their head. Daddy says, "We'll find a cure, keep your spirit high." But Brian just hangs his head, tries not to cry. Oh, little Brian, always trying to get through the day with that pesky cough that won't go away. At recess, Brian stands alone, watching others play. His cough echoes around the yard, keeps the friends at bay. He draws shapes in the dirt while he lets out a wheeze. Dreams are running and laughing, but it's just a tease. Dinner time at the table, he's got soup and bread, but every spoonful he takes, someone turns their head. Daddy says, "We'll find a cure, keep your spirit high." But Brian just hangs his head, tries not to cry. Oh, little Brian, always trying to get through the day with that pesky cough that won't go away.